Owning a pool sounds amazing until you realize you've basically signed up for a part-time job cleaning it. Leaves everywhere, sand on the bottom, that mysterious dust that somehow appears overnight, and if you've ever tried cleaning a pool manually, you know it's about as fun as mowing your lawn with scissors. So the big question is, are robotic pool cleaners actually worth it in 2026? Because some of these things cost as much as a used motorcycle. Today we're putting 5 of the most talked about robotic pool cleaners under the spotlight to see which ones actually make pool maintenance easy, and which ones might leave you wishing you saved your money. And trust me, one of these surprised me. First up is the iGarden K60, and right away this thing feels like it was built by someone who got tired of weak pool robots. The headline feature here is the insane battery life. We're talking up to 6 hours of cleaning on a single charge, which is honestly ridiculous compared to most pool robots that tap out after 2 or 3. But the reason that matters isn't just runtime. When a typical robot passes over the pool floor, it kicks debris up into the water. By the time it finishes its cycle, some of that dirt has already drifted somewhere else. So even though it covered the pool, it didn't actually clean it completely. The K60 solves that problem simply by staying in the pool long enough to make multiple passes, and the result is noticeably cleaner water. Under the hood, it's powered by 3 brushless motors and a turbine-style impeller that pulls water through the system with serious force. Leaves, sand, and even stubborn debris get sucked right in. The dual rubber brushes and tracked wheels also give it enough grip to climb walls and scrub along the waterline, which is where pollen and grime love to collect. And then there's the smart AI timer feature, which is honestly one of my favorite parts. Instead of running a massive cleaning cycle every time, you can tell the robot to do a quick 1-hour maintenance clean every few days. That means the pool basically stays clean on autopilot for up to 10 days without charging. It's one of those features you don't think you need until you realize you haven't touched your pool in over a week and it still looks perfect. Now, the only real downside is that a long runtime doesn't matter if the debris basket fills up too quickly. Luckily, iGarden thought of that too. The 4-liter debris basket is huge, so it can run for hours without clogging. The touchscreen on top is also surprisingly nice. No confusing menus, just simple cleaning modes like floor only or full pool coverage. If there's one small complaint people sometimes mention, it's that retrieving cordless pool robots can take a little practice. But honestly, that's true for almost every model on the market. Overall, the K60 feels like a set-it-and-forget-it pool cleaner, and for anyone who wants long runtime and minimal maintenance, it's a seriously strong start to this list. Next up is the iGarden K Pro, which takes things even further. If the K60 feels powerful, the K Pro feels like it's trying to dominate the category. The first thing that jumps out is the runtime. This robot can run up to 10 hours cleaning the pool floor, or around 6 hours covering the entire pool including walls and waterline. That's not just long, that's marathon-level endurance. In practical terms, it means you only need 2 short cleaning sessions per week to keep most pools spotless for up to 15 days. And when this thing starts cleaning, it doesn't mess around. The suction system pushes 6,604 gallons of water per hour through the robot, driven by a triple motor setup and turbine impeller. When turbo mode kicks in, suction jumps even higher to blast through heavy debris like wet leaves and stubborn dirt. Watching it work feels a little like watching a miniature tank roaming the bottom of your pool. The anti-slip tracks help it climb walls confidently, and the dual rubber brushes scrub away grime that normally sticks to surfaces. Navigation is handled by 3DS pattern path planning, which basically means the robot cleans the pool in organized routes instead of bouncing around randomly like older models used to. It's surprisingly methodical. There's also a touchscreen right on the robot, plus app connectivity through Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. Now here's where things get interesting. Some owners love the app. Others, well, let's just say the robot itself is easier to use. Connection can occasionally take a little patience, and the interface isn't always the most intuitive, But once the robot is actually in the pool, the performance makes up for it. Most people end up just setting their cleaning modes on the touchscreen and letting the robot handle the rest. And honestly, considering the massive runtime, strong suction, and rugged build, it still ends up being one of the most capable cleaners in this lineup. Now this one is where things get really interesting. The WYBOT C2 Vision isn't just another robotic cleaner, it's trying to bring actual AI vision into the pool. And yes, it literally has a camera on the front. Instead of blindly following routes, the robot scans the pool and actively looks for areas with the most dirt. They call this dirt hunting mode, and it's exactly what it sounds like. The robot circles, analyzes, and then focuses on the dirtiest parts of the pool until they're clean. It's kind of fascinating to watch. Even better, the AI system continues learning over time. During the first few weeks of use, it builds a custom cleaning profile for your pool, gradually improving its path planning and efficiency. WYBOT claims this can lead to up to 20 times better cleaning efficiency once the system has learned your pool's layout and debris patterns. The cleaner also offers 8 different cleaning modes, including waterline cleaning, wall cleaning, eco mode, turbo floor cleaning, and even expert path planning options, where you can choose specific patterns like S-shape, cross-shape, or star-shape routes. If you like tweaking settings and experimenting with cleaning strategies, this robot gives you a lot to play with. Another standout feature is the dual-layer filtration system. The main filter handles large debris like leaves, while the optional 10-micron ultrafine filter captures tiny particles like dust, sand, and even algae. The result is impressively clear water. Battery life is around 3 hours, which isn't the longest on this list, but it's enough to clean most pools in a single cycle. The biggest strength here is definitely the smart dirt detection system. Watching it hunt down debris instead of randomly wandering around feels like the future of pool cleaning. And considering its price compared to some high-end models, the C2 Vision ends up being a really compelling option. Next, we have the Dreame Z1 Pro, and this robot feels like something straight out of a futuristic smart home. It's powered by a cleaning system capable of moving 8,000 gallons of water per hour, which gives it some of the strongest suction in this entire lineup. And instead of the usual 2 brushes, the Z1 Pro uses 4 roller brushes combined with a dual pump system to scrub and vacuum debris simultaneously. The result is extremely thorough cleaning, especially for sand and stubborn dirt. But what really makes this robot stand out is the navigation system. It uses a combination of ultrasound sensors, infrared detection, and 3D structured light, allowing it to map the pool in a surprisingly intelligent way. Instead of randomly roaming, it scans the pool edges, cleans the perimeter first, and then follows an organized S pattern across the floor. Once it finishes the bottom, it climbs the walls and switches to an N pattern for vertical cleaning before finally scrubbing the waterline horizontally. It's honestly very satisfying to watch. Another unique feature is the Li-Fi remote control. Unlike Wi-Fi signals that struggle underwater, Li-Fi uses light signals to communicate with the robot. That means you can literally steer it around the pool like an RC car while it's underwater. Is it necessary? Not really, but it's undeniably fun. Battery life sits around 3 hours of continuous cleaning, which is plenty for most residential pools. And when it's finished, the robot automatically docks itself near the pool edge so you can retrieve it easily. One thing to keep in mind though, the Z1 Pro is a little heavier than some other cordless cleaners. It's manageable, but if you're pulling it out of a deep pool frequently, you'll definitely notice the weight. Still, between the powerful suction, advanced sensors, and clever navigation system, it feels like a premium smart pool robot built for convenience. Finally, we have the iGarden K25, which might actually be the sweet spot for a lot of pool owners. It doesn't try to be the most extreme robot on the list, but it focuses on delivering reliable cleaning without overcomplicating things. The suction system pushes around 5,810 gallons per hour, powered by 3 brushless motors and a turbine impeller. When you activate turbo mode, suction jumps to double power, which makes quick work of heavy debris after storms or windy days. Battery life reaches 150 minutes for floor cleaning, or about 75 minutes for full pool coverage, which is plenty for most pools up to about 3,800 square feet. Navigation follows a smart S-pattern cleaning path, allowing it to methodically cover the pool instead of bouncing around randomly. And like the other iGarden models, it includes a touchscreen interface and app connectivity for scheduling and cleaning modes. One thing that really stands out is the 4-liter debris basket. It's big enough to collect a surprising amount of leaves and dirt before needing to be emptied, which saves you from constantly stopping the cleaning cycle. There's also an auto parking feature, meaning when the battery runs low, the robot moves to the wall so you can easily pull it out. Now, just like with many cordless robots, wall climbing can sometimes depend on the surface of your pool. Some users with very steep or slick surfaces mention it occasionally sliding back down. But for floor cleaning and general debris removal, it performs extremely well. For the price, it delivers a great balance of power, battery life, and convenience. So after looking at all 5 of these robotic pool cleaners, here's the real takeaway. If you want maximum runtime and almost zero maintenance, the iGarden K60 is incredibly hard to beat. If you want sheer cleaning endurance and power, the K Pro is basically a cleaning machine. If you're curious about AI-powered cleaning and dirt detection, the WYBOT C2 Vision is one of the most interesting robots on the market right now. For smart navigation and premium features, the Dreame Z1 Pro brings some seriously impressive technology. And if you want a balanced, reliable cleaner without going overboard on price, the iGarden K25 hits that sweet spot. At the end of the day, robotic pool cleaners in 2026 have gotten really good. They're smarter, stronger, and honestly, way better at cleaning pools than most of us are. And once you've watched one quietly roaming the bottom of your pool while you're relaxing in a chair, it's pretty hard to go back to doing it yourself. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more real-world tech breakdowns like this, stick around. And until then, enjoy your pool without the cleaning job.